Guys, I went back to another quick form video. Sorry if I sound robotic or a little nasally, a little sick. So I'm getting better, but overcoming a cold. So overcoming a cold. So bear with me if I cough a little bit. But let's get into it, guys. The deals don't stop, so let's get into it. Of course, it's time for Christmas and the holiday cheers and everything. So let's get into it, guys. We're talking about Visible Wireless. This is personally one of the carriers I use. I will have some referral links to it in the description below if you want to join and get discounts and all that stuff. So check it out, guys. But today we're talking about Visible Wireless. It is powered by the Verizon network, and Verizon does actually own Visible Wireless. It's kind of what Cricket is to AT&T. So let's get into it, guys. And we've talked about many deals, but today we're talking about buy a year of Visible Plus service. Get an iPhone 13 on us. So yes, guys, you can get an iPhone 13 for free. Of course, you have to buy the annual plan, so it cannot be a monthly plan. You will have to pay this up front, and you have to use the code cheers to you, which is right here, if you can see right here. So let's get into it, guys. Not bad at all, and I'll tell you more about it. But it says limited time offer. Bring your number to Visible, so you have to pull your number from a competing carrier and get the iPhone 13 on us with purchase of a Visible Plus annual plan. And that's the plan I would honestly, if you guys watch these videos, I always would suggest, just because of many reasons I'll give you in this video. So let's get into it. So here it is, guys. It says we already read that, but there's 4 steps. It looks like it says join and select the Visible Plus annual plan, and then select shop new phones. Then you will add the iPhone 13 128 gigabytes midnight color to your cart and select to pay today full price option. So you'll pay the full price. Use code cheers to you at checkout. Follow the steps to create your account and transfer your number. So as you can see, there it is, guys. Here's the plan. It does cost $395 a year. You save actually $145. You actually get it at a deep discount. So instead of being $45 a month, you get it for like 30, I believe it's like 39 or something like that. Yeah, $395. Then you divide that. Oh, 30, almost $33 a month, which is a steal, guys. That's a steal. $33 a month for 1 year. You're just paying it up front. So let's say for $400, you pay for your service for 1 whole year, and you get a free phone. That's a steal. I might have to do this deal. I have so many phones that I probably shouldn't. But if you guys need a phone for the holidays, this is it. Why would you want this plan? You get premium data access, um, fastest hotspot, 10 megabits per second. It's unlimited, and you can get a smartwatch plan on it for free. And of course, you can get global pass days and everything with it as well. So as excuse me, as you can see, you do get a discount. Normally, it is $540 a year. But like I said, you do get unlimited talk, text, and data. You do get access to the 5G ultra wideband, which is 5 times or 10 times faster than regular 4G LTE. Of course, you do have to have a 5G ultra wideband compatible phone, which I believe the 13 is. Yep, and also the plan as well. So if your plan doesn't have it, and of course you have to be in a 5G ultra wideband area for this to work. Visible Plus also gives you 50 gigs of premium data. That's that premium data where it doesn't slow down based on the congestion. The cheaper plan, guys, is cheaper, but trust me, this right here is worth everything. It's definitely worth extra $20 or whatever. Whoops. Like I said, it's definitely worth it, guys, to go ahead and pay for that extra. So it says premium data means no data slowdowns due to prioritization. We're talking about the holidays right now. I say you're going shopping or anywhere that's congested, guys, your speeds will be pretty slow. It's almost useless. Trust me, I've tried it. Typical 4G and 5G download speeds are from 9 to 149 megabits per second. I've seen way faster than that. Video does stream in SD or standard quality, but trust me, you can bump it up to 720 or even 1080, depending how fast you get. It says after 50 gigs of Data in times of traffic or congestion, your data may be temporarily slowed than other traffic, but then once you leave that area, it picks back up. If you live in the city, I'll tell you right now, guys, it will be, especially with Verizon, you will be deprioritized a lot. If you live in a big city, a lot of people and a lot of people use Verizon, you basically always will be slowed down. Just be worried about that. So it does depend on the area you live in and stuff. Smartwatch service, it is normally $10 a month. Basically, if you have a cellular compatible watch, you can use it anywhere without your phone. A limited hotspot. You can connect to your tablets, um, laptops. It is capped at 10 megabits per second. Video does stream in standard definition. And it says while more than one device may be connected to your hotspot at one time, a single connect device will experience optimal speeds. And of course, unlimited talk text to Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk text and data in Mexico and roaming. So if you ever go to Mexico or Canada, your phone will work, and then you can get other things, spam protection, and everything. So pretty cool with that. Let me see. All right. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so that's the one I would, like I said, I'd go ahead and definitely get, guys. Excuse me. Just basically the same stuff we just reread here, guys. Like I said, here's a little bit more stuff on this. So this is the same stuff we just went over. Of course, you guys know the iPhone 13. This is the base model, of course. It says new customers qualified to receive the iPhone 13 120 gigabytes in midnight with purchase of the plan and use the promo code. Of course, promo's not transferable or anything like that. And basically everything else that I told you. So not bad at all, guys. What do you think? What do you think about this promo? Like I said, there's a plan, $400. You get the phone and a full month or a full year of service for $400. You really can't beat that, guys. This does end in about 4 days, so just be worried about that. But this is definitely a good sale. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. And let me know in the comments below what you think and all that cool stuff. Remember, if you want, I do have referral links for Visible description below since I do use them. So check it out, guys. Thank you and have a good day.